Welcome to the United States District Court for the Western District of New York. My name is Nicole, and I'll be guiding you through today's introduction to CMECF along with my colleague John. CMECF stands for Case Management Electronic Case Filing. CMECF is used to upload file documents into a database. All documents submitted to the court are filed electronically. Most documents, but not all, that are filed electronically on CMECF are available to the public via PACER. This screen shows a snapshot of what CMECF looks like once you have logged in. PACER is a public access to court electronic records. PACER is used to access uploaded documents. CMECF creates an electronic docket sheet for each case, and PACER displays the electronic dockets. You want to avoid putting personal or confidential information in court filings. The documents can be accessed by anyone on the internet.
Hi, this is John, and I'll continue talking about the use of CMECF. The federal court system transitioned to electronic dockets and electronic filing in the late 1980s and 90s. The Western District of New York followed suit shortly and began to use electronic dockets and filing in the early 2000s. The docket sheet, as we see here on this screen, contains a multitude of information about the case. It tells us what the case is about. It includes the case number and name of the judge, all parties involved with the case, as well as contact information, and every document filed on the case is listed on the docket with a numbered link to the electronic document. The docket sheets contain the docket entries. As you can see from our example, the information such as date of filing, the docket number, and the type of document is included in the docket sheet. The date filed column shows the actual date that the document was filed. The next column over shows the docket number. And you'll notice that in our case, the number is actually blue with an underline. This means that there's an actual electronic document, which in the first example would be the complaint, is attached. And if you click on that hyperlink, you'll be able to view the document. The final column shows the title of the document with a short description. And if there's any attachments to this file, you'll see that they will be shown as well too with the title. Once you've successfully filed your electronic document, you'll receive what's called a notice of electronic filing. Each docket entry is sent to the parties on the case on a notice of electronic filing, also known as an NEF. Now, via email, when registered for electronic notices, the email contains a link so that recipients can download copies of the documents. Via U.S. mail or other means, meaning paper, when not registered for electronic notice, copies of the documents must be served on non-registered parties pursuant to the federal rules of civil procedures.
I will now guide you through logging on and off of CMECF. The first thing you'll want to do is log on to our public website at www.nywd.uscourts.gov. In the lower left-hand section, there's going to be a link, E-Filing CMECF. Click there. And on this page, you'll see in purple, U.S. District Court, Western District of New York Document Filing System. Click on the link.
We're now on the PACER login link for the Western District of New York. Here, enter your PACER credentials. You may skip the client code, but be sure to agree to the redaction agreement by clicking the box and then click Continue. You may then click on Login. This screen shows a screenshot of the menu bar for read-only PACER accounts. The difference between a read-only PACER account menu and a PACER account menu when you have access to e-filing will be the addition of a civil and criminal option at the top.
When you are done using the CMECF system, you want to log out. This will safeguard your account.